In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to edit your website's content using the VEVS website builder. Let's dive in and see how it works. Each page is made up of several different elements. The first one is the intro section, which is the opening section of your page. Following that, you'll find various content sections composed of content blocks. Each section can contain multiple content blocks. To change the intro section, simply click on the settings icon. You can choose from several types of sections or remove the intro section altogether and start building your page directly with one of the many content block sections available. Each section comes with its own settings. You can move sections around to change their order and adjust the spacing above and below to ensure there's enough space between different sections. You also have the option to add various backgrounds to a section, whether it be a solid color, gradient, or image. Additionally, you can add different borders, top and bottom, to the section. To add a new content block to an existing section, click the plus add icon. If you add a new content block, it will be placed in a new section at the bottom of your page. You can then move it to your desired position. However, if you click the plus icon within a section, the new content block will be added to that specific section. For example, let's add a new content block, say some text, to this section. Once added, you can easily move it around within the section using the move icon. Here is the section we just added. You can move it like this, and you'll see it shift to the corresponding position. Using the move icon for the entire section allows you to reposition the section anywhere on your page, above or below other sections. And of course, you can easily delete any section from your page if needed. If you have any questions or need further assistance setting up your website, don't hesitate to get in touch with the VEVS team. We're here to help.